Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are already a subscriber, that's what's up. Thanks for rocking with me. But if you are new here, don't leave without subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will know every time I upload a new video. So it is a little after 10 o'clock at night, but I did just want to come and show you all and update you all on what I have been doing. So as you know, I have been working on getting a business going, a lip gloss and eyelash and hair business going. So I got some new things in, so I just wanted to share with you all what I got. So since the last time that I showed you, I do want to say that if you are starting a business, that a notebook is like a must-have. I write everything down in this notebook, and actually my husband got this notebook for me so that I can take notes and be organized, and it says she believed she could, so she did. So he wanted to give me a little bit of inspiration. So I do write down everything, all of my ideas and everything in this book. I write down the names of my lashes in this book. I also just write down things that I want to try to manifest and come true, if you believe in the power of manifestation. So I do write down things, and hopefully they'll manifest themselves. So yeah, so a notebook is a must. So now, now let's get into it. So one of the first things that I got, or the latest things that I got, were these bubble mailers from Amazon, and they're in the rose gold color, and they were like $8 and something for, I think, 25 of them. I wasn't sure on what size to get, but it looked like this would be a good size, and that I could fit a couple of lip glosses or eyelashes in here. I'll probably have to get some bigger ones for my hair, but for right now I got these. I'm still testing hair, so I haven't gotten those yet, but hopefully some hair will be here soon. And whenever that does come in, I will be back to show you guys that. Okay, so the next thing that I am going to show you are my wand tubes. So I have been waiting on these wand tubes. They finally came in, so let me show you what they look like. They came packaged like this, like in little strips. But this is what it looks like. And I really like them. And they're just, just simple but cute. So I really like these. So right now, they just came in not too long ago, so they still need to be sanitized. So after they are sanitized, I will fill them with gloss. And speaking of gloss, okay, so I made some gloss, and since I don't have on a mask or anything, I'm not going to open it, but this is the color that it is. Well, I will open it, I just won't talk. So I just made that gloss, and that is this color. I don't have a name for it yet, so if you guys can think of a cute name for me, then drop it down below. Let me know. so that I can get a name for it. But yeah, so that's some gloss that I made. So I've just been working on a whole bunch of glosses, like nude color glosses. This one is kind of like a pinky color. Yeah, that one's super pretty. I love that one. And then this one, I won't open it. This one I won't open. I don't know if you can tell the difference between this one and the last one. This one is like more of like a baby pink color, whereas the other one was kind of like maybe a rose color. I don't know if it comes across good on camera, but yeah, I've just been in my laboratory working, making glosses. So my laboratory, for those of you that don't know what a laboratory is, but if you used to watch Dexter's Laboratory, then you know what I'm talking about. Let's move on to the next thing that I am super excited to show you. So I finally, got in my eyelash cases. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. But it's a rose gold colors. And it says Lavish Obsession Collection. Can you see that? Maybe you can see that better. There's kind of a shine on it, but that is what my logo looks like. And then on the back, you probably can't see the back too well on camera, but on the back I have like my tagline, which is when passion meets inspiration and obsession is born. And then it just has all of my information, like my website, my email, and Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, you all stop what you're doing, well, finish watching this video, but after you finish watching it, go follow me on Instagram at Lavish Obsession Collection. I just started it, so I don't have a lot on there yet because I just started it, but I am working on it, so you all go follow me. And then here are the lashes. They are super cute. I don't know. Hopefully you can see them. I think the glare makes it a little hard to see. But these lashes are Ella. The name of them is Ella. And then let me show you a couple of other styles. I have quite a few styles, but I'll just show you a couple. And then also, speaking of styles, the lashes that I have on, if you can see them, these are called Josephine. And then I have this pair. I have several different styles, but I'll just show you a couple of the styles that I have. So I have this pair. So this pair is called Michelle O because, I mean, they're just classy and sophisticated and beautiful, just like she is. So these are Michelle O right here. I'll just show you one more pair. Like I said, I have several styles, but I'll just show you a couple of them. And then this pair, let me see if I can. So this pair right here, this pair is Tyra, and these are a more glam lash. These are 25mm lashes, so they're just more glam, but they're super cute as well. I love 25mm lashes, although I don't wear them because I have hooded eyelids and not a lot of eyelid space, so I'll wear 25mm lashes. They tend to overpower my eyes, but they are beautiful and I love them. Okay, and so then I decided to get a label maker so that I could label my eyelash styles. So I ended up getting the Dymo letter tag, and it was a hard decision between this one and the Brothers label maker. So I just read a lot of reviews on both of them, and ultimately I decided to go with the Dymo. I know the Dymo takes 4 batteries and the Brothers took 6. So that kind of, you know, had a little bit to do with it, though not much. But yeah, that one takes more batteries. Also, a lot of the reviews that I read about the Brothers is they thought it was a good label maker, but they thought that it wasted a lot of tape, so they were ending up going through tape quickly and having to repurchase tape very quickly. So that was the deciding factor of why I decided to go with this one as well. Price wasn't so much a factor because they were pretty much neck and neck in price, although the Brothers on Amazon might have been like $1 more. I think this one was $28 and that one might have been $29. So yeah, so I just decided to go with this one. I found it in Target. I didn't end up getting it in Amazon because I found it in Target for $17. So I decided to just get it from Target. Plus I just went and picked it up the same day I decided I wanted it, so I didn't have to wait on shipping. But it is really easy to use. Oh, also, like I said, this was 17 something in Target, but it only came with one tape cartridge. It only came with one tape cartridge and it was white. And the one on Amazon, it came with 3, so that might play a role of whether you want to get that one or not, and you know the price probably comes out to being close to the same. But although the one on Amazon came with 3 cartridges, none of them were clear, so I was going to have to end up buying cartridges anyway, so I just went with the cheaper one, and then I turned around and got a couple of clear cartridges. So that's what I did. This is really easy to use, but it does take some getting used to because it's not like a regular keyboard or like your phone pad, like when you text. It's not like that. So let me see if it'll focus. So it just goes across A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So all the alphabet, the letters just go straight across, so it's not like your regular keyboard that you're used to. I think it's called a QWERTY keyboard or something like that. I think that's how you pronounce it. But so this takes some getting used to when you're typing in the, you know, the names of things that you want. But other than that, it's really easy to use. And while I'm standing right here, I'm just going to show you how to use it. Like, it's so self-explanatory. You just turn it on. Okay, it's on, I guess. Yeah, you just can't see it. So I already have that programmed in, so I'll just use that. But you can choose like different formats. And so you can choose, let's see. I don't think the camera's focusing. But you can choose size, style, borders, all of that. And so after you can choose medium font, large font, extra large font, small font, extra small font. But after you get what you want, you just hit OK, and then you hit print. You see it printing out. And then you just push this button to cut it. That's what it looks like. It's so cute. And then I will cut off the excess papers. I mean, that's what it looks like. And then what I have been doing is just cutting off a little bit of this excess white around the side. But this is the clear tape, so when you pull it off, when you peel off the back of it and press it down, it's clear. So yeah. Okay, so like I said, it is kind of late, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. But once again, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And also go on over to Instagram and check me out at Lavish Obsession Collection. And that is it. And as always, thank you for watching. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.